Stop throwing away potato peels. You should know that potatoes have valuable properties, especially the skin. Most people toss the peels straight into the trash while peeling, but you can actually turn them into something much better. Put the peels in the sink and wash them thoroughly, then transfer them to a strainer. Shake it well to get rid of excess water. Spread the peels on a plate and cut them into smaller pieces so they dry evenly. Prepare a baking tray and line it with parchment paper. Spread the peels out in a thin, even layer. Put the tray into a preheated oven at about 390 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for around 10 minutes until the peels are dry and crispy. Take them out and let them cool for a moment. Then toss everything into a blender and blend into a fine powder. Get a container, ideally a spice jar, use a funnel, and pour the powder in. And that's it. You've got a natural fertilizer made from potato peels. It's perfect for houseplants and potted plants. Just mix a little into the soil whenever you want. If you're wondering how to strengthen your potted plants and you want a way to keep your plants healthy at home, this powder is perfect. It gently nourishes the soil, supports growth, and makes the potting mix richer. So over time, your plants look stronger and healthier. It's the best chemical-free plant fertilizer out there.